Hi, my name's Nick. I work here customer service at PrintPapa. I want to show you a quick video on setting up our X banner stands. First, you want to take everything out of the carrying case and start with the tripod base. This is made out of fiberglass and aluminum, which makes it both lightweight and durable. So you want to make sure all legs are open in a way that it is flat. Next, you're going to get these two rods which will hold the banner up. You're going to put those in each porthole. And you want to make sure that the hooks are facing outwards so the banner can hook onto those. Lastly, you will take the banner itself and unroll that. Alright, so you're going to just put each corner on. Graphic size is 24 by 63 inches, and it is a 7mm scratch proof and light blocking material, which means no light will pass through the backside. They're very easy to replace, and you can order just the banner itself should you need to replace the graphics at any time. It comes with a nylon carrying case as well, so you can keep everything in one case.